Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with today's tutorial and today we are going to draw the jersey of football player Mbappe. So starting with the center line and two sleeping lines, the upper one is smaller, the lower one is little bigger, and then two slanting lines on both the sides for the shoulder. Now I'm just making two slanting lines around the sleeping lines that I drew for the collar. Now adding one slanting line, making a sleeping line to make sure that the other side we are making the slanting line of the same height. Now making a standing line here and then another standing line and joining them together at the bottom. So once we are done with this, we'll start with the sleeves of the jersey. So just making a line there, another smaller slanting line, then joining these two at the bottom. There's going to be a little slanting line on the sleeves. Now making a sleeping line for the other side, making the longer line of the sleeve, which is a bit curved in the center. It's a wavy line, a slanting line, then joining them both, two slanting lines on both the sides and joining it again. After this we are adding more details, just adding one more line below the collar and one curved line here and another curved line on the other side. Now once we are done with the detail of the t-shirts, we are going to write the name and the number. So first two lines are for the name and these two lines are for the number 10. So first we are writing it with the pencil so as to avoid any mistakes later when we do the outline. So making a standing line, a slanting line, again a standing line and joining it at the bottom with the sleeping line. Now again one more standing line, a slanting line, again a slanting and one more standing line. So already I have drawn the sleeping line at the bottom before, so no need to make it again. So just doubling this part, make sure that you're leaving a space in between the rectangle, the slanting rectangle that we have drawn. Now we are making a 0, so just making it like an oval and we'll be just doubling these lines. Just look at the lines carefully and it will be very easier for you to do it. This is going to be very interesting tutorial for all the football fans who want to learn the jersey of different players, how to draw it. So these are the step-by-step tutorials. You can also check the other videos. I have uploaded the jersey drawing of many other football players as well, so you can just go and check them. Once I am done with the basic drawing with the pencil, I am just starting with the outline. All the products that I am using in my video, the links for those are provided in the description. You can just go and check them there. So just outlining on the pencil lines that I have drawn. Just follow the lines, the pencil lines for the outlining, and it will be very easy for you to do it. Please like the video if you find this useful, and also you can share it with your friends, whoever wants to learn how to draw the jerseys in a very easy and step-by-step method. And we are just done with the outline of the detailing of the t-shirt. After that I'll be starting writing the name of the player. So I am writing here directly with the pen, but if you wish to write first with the pencil, you can do that. That is totally up to you. First you can write it with the pencil and then you can outline it later with the black pen. Also, you can share your drawings with us on our email ID, which is provided in the video description. So just outlining the number 10. Be careful with the lines that you need to draw, as we do not need to outline all the pencil lines. So just look carefully the lines that you need to outline. Just try and maintain the gap between all the lines, because it is the same way in the number, the real jersey. Now once we are done with the outlining, we are just going to erase all the extra lines, as we made them only for our help. That was not the part of the final drawing. Now I'm starting with the coloring. So to give it a darker blue effect, I am first adding a dark purple shade below. The colors that I am using here are the Stellar Luna pencil colors. The link for all these products are there in the video description. You can just go and check them out there and order for yourself. After doing the first layer with the dark purple, I am adding the blue tone on top of it. So once I am done with the collar and the sleeves, the border of the sleeves, I am going to start with the coloring in the t-shirt. So the same color I am going to start in the jersey. I hope you liked the video. Please do let me know in the comment sections about this video, and also you can let me know what you want me to draw for the next video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to turn on the bell icon for regular notifications. Now adding the yellow color in the number and the name. So after this we are done with the drawing tutorial for today. I hope you liked watching it and it was very helpful to you and made the drawing of the Mbappe jersey really helpful and easy for you. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.